upon the tree. Sing a song so soft to me, golden sun.